Hey guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today we're tackling the notorious hard-boiled egg. We're going to show you guys how to hard-boil the perfect egg, how to peel it nice and easy, and how to do it seamlessly with a few quick steps from Don's Appliances. First off, gang, we want to get our pot here. We want to put our eggs in first, all right? Don't crowd them, guys. If you need more eggs, you need a bigger pot, use the bigger pot. But we keep them single layer like this, okay? I could probably put one more in there. So let's say, what is that, 3, 6, 7 in this pot. If you need a dozen, get the bigger pot, okay? Hey Alexa, tell Delta to pour 12 ounces of cold water.
Okay, dispensing 12 ounces.
All right guys, we got 12 ounces of water and we just got just enough. We want to probably put another little bit in just to make sure they're all fully covered, just like that. They're gonna pop up a little bit. We don't want too much water that'll overflow. So now let's take it to our cooking surface. All right, gang, we're gonna use the induction top here. So I got it on the left burner. We're gonna highlight the left burner, turn this guy on, make some magic. We wanna bring it right up to a boil. So I'm gonna take this all the way up to the peak, to the power boost. Guys, if you're on your electric, crank it up to high. If you're on your gas, crank it up to high too. We wanna get a boil on this guy. And then we want to cover it for about 10 to 12 minutes to let the eggs fully cook. A lot of people want to keep it boiling and boiling. That's when eggs crack. That's when you don't get the perfect hard-boiled egg. Quick little tip there, okay? You can feel the vibrations of the induction pan. We've already got the ripples going. So, you know, in the induction, that's one of the benefits if we're going to boil faster. You're going to see it in gas, you're going to see it, you know, come second, and then in the electric, you're going to come last. But, you know, they're all going to boil for you, all right? So we're just going to bring this guy up. I'm going to put the lid on it so it boils nice and fast. Okay? Just don't watch the pot. Alright guys, we're up to a boil, as you can see here on our cooktop. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this all the way down. Alright? And now we're going to set a timer. So we'll put our timer at, so let me redo that, put that right there. We're going to add our timer to 12 minutes, all right? And we'll let it sit 12 minutes, cover for the perfect hard-boiled egg. All right, guys, it's been 12 minutes. We'll take our eggs off right now, put them right here, take the lid off them, nice and steamy. So check this out, gang. We're gonna put it in an ice bath. So we'll take all these guys out gently. That's when I like these silicone cones. They work out real well, too. Okay, put them in the ice bath. And I'm going to show you a quick trick to get the shell off them nice and easy. Right, okay, move them around there. This we don't need anymore. Pop that back on the stove. So I got 2 pieces of paper towel right here. I'll just roll this guy just to cool it off a little bit. I'll just go like this, just tap it on each side, right like this, just to get it loose. And then I take it on my hand and just roll it. See, I'll just roll it lightly because the paper towel grips it. Then we'll take it right over the sink. Stop, touch our thing. Just pick off the little bits. We get a nice, easy shell. And the water helps just to move any little particles, any pieces of the shell. Look how nice and easy that is. So, one done, a few more to go. Put it on our clean plate. Once again, tap it on the top, tap it on the bottom, just give it a roll with the paper towel. All right, go right over the sink, take over a few shells, and just peel it nice and easy. Few tips, they say older eggs work better. I hate to say it, that all eggs work with this 12-minute step and rolling these guys out like this. Nice and easy, guys. Don's Appliances, we use the induction. We showed you how to use the timer for it in 12 minutes. You could use it with the gas, use it with the electric as well. Same thing, bring it up to a boil, 10 to 12 minutes. Roll it on the paper towel. Put it under water. You'll have perfect hard-boiled eggs.